G'day everybody, Uncle Jojo here. Great to see you all again. Today we're just going to go through some thermal mass. Thermal mass is the way that a material stores energy, whether that be cool energy or hot energy. Bricks, concrete, timber, steel, all hold all different materials and all hold energy in different ways. The Eskimos use thermal mass when they build and smart building to build their igloos, and they use the ice as a thermal mass. And in Africa, in certain places, they use the mud in the area to cover their huts, and it protects them from the heat of the sun. Today what we've got is a newly renovated home, and it's an existing double brick wall on both sides and a slab inside. So I'm just going to walk through this with you and explain the idea of thermal mass. Here, step over this way. So here what we've got is brick wall. Brick is masonry. It is dense, it's thick, it holds energy really well. Slab, concrete, also exactly the same. Thick, holds energy really well. So you can then utilize that material and keep it hot or cool depending on the season. In the summer, we can keep the bricks cool, and in the winter, we can heat them up and then radiate that heat throughout the entire house. Do the same thing with the slabs. We do use a lot of hydronic heating in slabs nowadays. Brilliant way for energy efficiency to keep the house nice and warm throughout all of winter with very low cost, at the same time as being very efficient in the way that it uses the thermal mass of the slab to hold the heat and then slowly and cleanly disperse of that energy to keep not just your bottom floor, but if you've got 2 or 3 levels, then it keeps everything nice and warm, and clean energy as well. It's not dust particles or anything blowing in the air from ducting, and it's a really nice, thorough warmth that just radiates through everything. If you have an air conditioner running all the time, it sucks the moisture from the air. Whereas if you actually utilize the thermal mass of your dwelling, then what you can do is have clean energy that radiates efficiently throughout the day or throughout the week, even better still, or for a couple of months. Yes, you need to continually cool it down, but it's only a little bit because it's already using that density or that thermal mass itself to hold and store the energy and slowly let it come out. What I've also got here is a small example of that. These windows here are north facing. We've got an aircon system straight above. In this area, we've got a fan that blows on both the first floor and the ground floor, and here we've got our western wall. So the way that this has been designed is the aircon, due to the sun coming around like that, the aircon will be blowing and keeping the western wall cool. This fan here at night can be switched on and let the stored energy from this brick wall circulate throughout the whole house. And then we're utilizing the cool brick and the cool energy that's been stored to circulate throughout the whole. This is a very low cost, and it's a great way of keeping clean energy throughout the house. If you just have the aircon going all the time, what it does is it actually sucks the moisture from the air and it becomes dry inside. What it does is it saves on overusing resources. There's so many people that are using aircon systems throughout all of the summer now, all the time. It depletes all of the electricity. Not many people have solar panels. People get solar panels, brilliant system. All we need to learn how to do now is store that energy. Side note, utilize the systems that we've got. Think smart, think for longevity. Cleared up any questions or queries that you've got about thermal mass in a nutshell. Thanks for watching and stay awesome.